Hi, my name is Catherine at Empowered Frontiers. I am here to do a review on Atlantis. What is Atlantis? Atlantis is a product software that generates ripple effect inside $100 million website, putting $516 of passive income in your pocket every day. Here there is a video from the developers sharing with you more about the software. They are giving away the Atlantis Profit Maximizers to the first 100 buyers free. This is a new traffic software. It is a brand new method and it has been tested by 22 beta testers who generated average $516 in daily income. Here are the testimonial of the 22 beta testers, sharing how easy it is and simple to set up, how it has benefited them financially. Now, there are many other things in this sales page that you can look through and read through at your own time. Should you decide to buy this product, you will come into this members area. You will receive a welcome from the developers, the digital dames, Nanda and Paula Mary. And then they will start on their training with an introduction to the software, Atlantis Traffic Software Setup. Here it will introduce the software features and it will teach you how to install and download to gain the maximum impact. In this Insta Money Honey, the developer has come up with various avenues to teach you how to make sales and earn money. The rise to fame. Here, the developer will show you how to make passive income and show you 2 other case studies where they have earned from this software. Atlantis bonuses. There are 4 bonuses here from the vendor. Atlantis upgrades. There are quite a number of upgrades here, which I will talk about it later. Should you decide to buy this product, do click onto the link at the description below and you will come to this bonus page. Do take note that this product is launched on Thursday, September the 30th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The launch will end on Monday, October the 4th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can secure your copy of the software and your bonuses by clicking at this green button here before the bonus page expires and come down. Here is the section on the pricing and the upsells. Atlantis front end. You can get Atlantis front end product at $16.95 for its software and training. However, if you were to go to the sales page, there is a $3 discount that you can claim that will make the front end for only $14. For the upgrade number 1, Poseidon, unlock the beast mode. Now this is to take off any limits and to help you get 100 times bigger and faster results. This upgrade is recommended for you to take to get full benefit of what the software can do at the price of $37. This is a downsell price only given to you during the launch. Upgrade number 2 is Asgard, limited beta entry. Now this is an opportunity to become Digital Dame's launch partner. With this upgrade, you will get Digital Dame's formula, templates, resources, and access to their support teams. Upgrade number 3 is the 7 C's Income Multiplier. This upgrade, you will be taught how to get multiple additional earnings. Upgrade number 4, the Trident Limitless Traffic. This upgrade is the power to instantly tap into their 10 times traffic hacks. Upgrade number 5, Neptune, access our $1,000 day. This upgrade is a very easy copy and paste, done for you campaigns to generate over 1,100 a day. Upgrade number 6 is Atlantis Resellers Rights. Here you are given the right to sell Atlantis as your own product and keep 100% of the profit. Number 7 is the Accidental Income Generator. This is one upgrade that accidentally found to earn additional $247. Now here there is a demo that the developer will show you in greater detail how this software works. Now, should you want to buy this product under my link, I will be giving you additional bonuses. Bonus number 1, my secret traffic software plus shortcut to uncovering proven and saturated buyer traffic gold. This is my exclusive traffic software bonus. You will be able to unlock proven buyer traffic where no one else is looking for it, instead of competing with everyone else for the same saturated audience. Bonus number 2, how to write Instagram captions to increase your likes, comments, and sales. My bonus will help you to get better engagement on Instagram by giving you Instagram caption tips and how to write good Instagram captions that will get you more likes, comments, and sales. Bonus number 3 is access to my personal collection of over 4,000 plus images and quotes you can use in your power posts. With this bonus, you will have the ability to reach thousands of people directly in the most natural way they use Instagram and attract traffic and followers organically. Bonus number 4, access my top 10 low ticket done for you high converting campaigns you can use right away. In this bonus, I am going to give you my best converting done for you campaigns for both low and high ticket products. My bonus includes beautifully designed bonus pages, awesome custom made bonuses, and professional YouTube review videos. Bonus number 5 is the free access to all additional bonuses from the vendor. Just to recap what you will get by purchasing this product, Atlantis. You will get 3 done for you campaigns. You will get a step-by-step video tutorials. You will get tips on how to multiply your profits. You will learn how to turn $110 into $1,100 profit. You will learn how to make consistent 10K a month. And there will be a secret hack for more traffic wave and real-life case studies. And the whole value of this package is over $11,000. Plus, you will get a special one-time offer, Atlantis Profit Maximizer. Plus, you will get all the vendor bonuses and my bonuses for a value of $14 after the $3 discount claimed. Plus, should you choose to buy this rapid cash generator that is valued at $197, but it is now giving away at just under $10 during this launch. And you will have 30 days money back guarantee. With all that you will be getting for the price of $14, it is worth considering buying this product. Now, should you want to buy it, do click on to these green buttons here to secure your copy of your product and your bonuses. Thank you for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. See you at the next review. Bye.